Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have black screen on your OBS while recording. So depending on what you want to record, and probably it's games, so if you have a black screen on it, you will need to click on sources, this plus button right here, find your game capture, click on it, then set a name for the source, and then click on OK. And right here you will see this window, hopefully you can see it, and now you can adjust any settings for your game capture. When it's ready, click on, before that actually, go for the mode and capture a specific window. Here select from the windows available and now pick the name of a game that you want to record, and then the screen should be as it is in the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.